to change your lawyer? This is a question posed to me by a lot of people, and they have a couple of questions regarding this. They say, I'm not satisfied with my lawyer. I want to change my lawyer, but I am afraid, number one, that my lawyer can cause me some sort of harm in my case, or that the court will not allow me to change my lawyer, or something drastic will happen if I change my lawyer. A lot of people, when they mention this, I explain to them that the advocate serves at the pleasure of the client. The moment the client says, I do not wish you to be my advocate anymore, you should always give this in writing. The advocate cannot continue to represent you from that moment onwards. The moment you sign up another lawyer with your wakalatnama of power or power of attorney, after that, nothing else remains with the previous advocate. Now, practically what to do? Just hire another advocate, give them the wakalatnama, let them intimate the old lawyer that this person is not going to continue with you and they're continuing with us now. Second point is, a couple of courts around the country, the Supreme Court and a lot of district courts here and there, they mandate the signing of an NOC, no objection certificate, by the previous advocate, which I believe is very improper, because when you have this rule, this mandate that the advocate serves at the pleasure, the representing of the client happens at the option of the client, then why do you need the NOC? Say for perhaps my legal fees has not been completely paid. There are so many rulings which say the lawyer cannot withhold NOC, the lawyer cannot hold the files of the client hostage for payment of legal fees. Then anyways, why do you have this concept of NOC? Anyways, the places where NOC is mandated, there is a way to bypass this. If the advocate refuses to give NOC or says, give me more fees, then I will give you NOC. In those situations, simply move an application for dispensing with the requirement of NOC and give the details in your application to the judge as to what has transpired because of which the lawyer is now refusing to give NOC, and why then NOC requirement should be dispensed with. Now, apart from that, another aspect is the client says, the lawyer is not going to give the files. What am I supposed to do? Again, the courts are record keepers of everything. You can move a certified or an uncertified copy application, and it will take a couple of days, but you will get your entire trial court record file from the court. And anyways, I've mentioned it on so many other occasions, always have backup copies of everything. Your lawyer is not some supreme entity. Their offices catch fire, get flooded, they lose files, they die, and then you don't have access to your file. So always anyways have access to all the court records, court order sheets, the pleadings of the parties, have them with you. And yes, you can change your lawyer whenever you want.